You've probably seen a whole bunch of our videos offering and telling you, how can I improve my average rent by $50 a month by offering Wi-Fi service? And your first thing in your head, I'm guaranteeing you as an operator, just like we are here, is, oh my God, you're adding an extra layer of headaches. Actually, it's not the case. We have a call center open Monday to Sunday, based in Montreal, Canada. So the beauty about it, you're not calling overseas, you're calling in-house in Canada. And the beauty about this is that we are here to support your tenants. For example, this is how simple it is to get onto your Wi-Fi network. A, you scan our QR code, you automatically get connected to your network, or you manually punch in the password to be on the network. But if you have more questions, or if you're having issues connecting any of your devices, our call center is there to assist our clients. That's why we're in 45,000 units in Canada, and with over 3,500 apartment buildings using our technology and utilizing our call center for the support. To learn more about what we do, connect with us today at wifiplex.ca.